The Song of the Swing Set. Let me tell you a story about a boy named Leo who lived on a sunny street called Maple Tree Lane. Leo was a boy who listened to the world. He loved the thwack of a baseball, the fizz of soda pop, and the crunch of autumn leaves. But his very favorite sound was the happy, rhythmic creak, squeak, creak of his old backyard swing set. But one Saturday, the music stopped. The swing made a sad, painful screech thunk. It was broken. Leo's dad looked at the rusty chain and said, "It's had its day, buddy. Time for it to go. We'll get a nice, new, quiet one." A quiet swing set? To Leo, that sounded awful. His old swing wasn't just metal, it was his spaceship, his dragon, his castle tower. That night, a brilliant idea sparked in his mind. What if the swing set didn't have to be quiet? What if it could make a different kind of music? The next morning, Leo became a salvage hero. With permission, he took his dad's toolbox and carefully took the swing set apart. He saved the long metal bar, the rusty chains, and the blue plastic seat. His mom called from the kitchen, "Leo, sweetie, what are you doing with that old junk?" "It's not junk, Mom. It's going to be an instrument." Leo dragged the parts next door to his neighbor, Mr. Evans. Mr. Evans had a wild white mustache and was the coolest garage band drummer ever. "Mr. Evans," Leo said, his voice full of mission, "I need to make my swing set sing. Can you help?" Mr. Evans looked at the parts and grinned. "A swing set symphony? Now that's my kind of project." In Mr. Evans' cluttered garage, they became inventors. They hung the metal bar and hit it. Bong! It sounded like a giant, beautiful gong. They made the chains clang together. Clang, shink! They even made the seat whistle when the wind blew through it. A week later, Leo's dad came out to the garage. He heard the ding, clang, whistle, bong and said, "This is quite the noise factory, boys. The neighbors might complain." Then, Mr. Evans handed Leo 2 special drumsticks. He pointed to their magnificent, crazy creation. "Play the rhythm, Leo, not just noise, the feel of swinging." Leo remembered the creak, squeak, creak of happy afternoons. He started to play. Bong, clang, whistle, clang, bong, bong, shink. It was a beat, the beat of summer and fun. And then Mr. Evans ran and got his real drum set. He listened and then, boom, clap, boom, shink. He joined in. The deep bong was the heartbeat. The clang and whistle were the melody. Together, they made an awesome, rocking backyard jam. Kids on bikes stopped to listen. Leo's mom came out and started tapping her foot. Leo's dad watched. He saw the joy on his son's face. He heard the playground hidden in the music. He walked over, picked up a mallet, and gently tapped the blue seat. Whump, whump. Leo looked up, his face shining. His dad gave him a wink. They never got that quiet plastic swing. Instead, they got the Maple Tree Lane Sound Crew. Soon, other kids brought old wagon wheels and garden pipes to join the band. Leo learned that with a little creativity, nothing you love ever has to be truly silent. You can always find a new way to let it sing. The end.